Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am doing a plus size try-on with XPLUSWEAR. What to wear right now. If you're interested in seeing what I am going to try on today, just keep on watching. So guys, XPLUSWEAR is an online marketplace offering all types of fashions for the plus size chick, wide range of styles and accessories to choose from. Plus size confidence you will have when you put on their clothes. Let me share with you this first outfit. When I was picking these outfits, I was thinking summer wear, vacation wear, cruise wear, some of these. Let me share with you this two-piece pants set. I'm gonna back up a bit so you can see how pretty this is. It has a leopard print in the color blue. This two-piece set screams summer, summer, summertime. It is very, very beautiful and very comfortable to wear. I added a black tank top underneath. This can be worn casually or daily. It has a slight stretch. The neckline has a V neck. Has a regular sleeve, and this is perfect, especially here in Florida for summer, spring, autumn, and winter. Guys, like I said, this would be perfect for vacation. This would be perfect for at home. If you're going on a cruise, this is definitely perfect, giving you all of that vacay vibes, summer vibes. I absolutely love this beautiful set. Now the next beautiful piece is the XPLUSWEAR plus size red daily ruffle floral print cami maxi dress. I love dresses like this. I can look cute around my home in dresses like this. I'm loving the vibrant colors, and it is a very comfortable outfit that can be dressed up or dressed down. Would look cute with a cute sandal, right? So flowy and so comfortable. And guys, check out the ruffle at the bottom of this dress. Oh my goodness, looks so pretty. Now, hubby and I, we are taking a trip at the latter part of this year, and this one right here will definitely be in my luggage. This is a pretty dress that I can imagine strolling one of our tropical paradises in. All right, this is so pretty. Now the next piece, oh my goodness. It is the X plus size casual black mesh patchwork pearl skirt. It is long sleeve with button down blouse and a skirt attached to it. Now guys, I put on some black pants to go with this. The pearls on this shirt is stunning. This would be perfect for a date night, a nice evening out, dinner, and more. This is so cute, so comfortable. Definitely a dressed up outfit. Now, when I saw this next outfit, it put me in the mind of the Jacksonville Jaguars, if you are a football fan. This is a XPLUSWEAR plus size cyan casual all over print with pockets midi dress. This dress, oh my goodness, is so comfortable. What got me on this dress is that faith written on the front and the cold shoulder, or you can place your shoulder out on one side, on both sides if you like. It has a drawstring waist, so you can adjust your waist if needed. It is a beautiful dress. I love the leopard print on the skirt. It is so beautiful. This can be dressed up as well as dressed down. If I can recall, they do have some canvas sneakers. I may be placing an order for those that match these perfectly. I'm a casual chick as well, and this outfit will be perfect for daily wear. Absolutely love it. Now, if you are a fan of pink, the next two pieces you are going to love. This one here, I absolutely love. It is the XPLUSWEAR plus size pink daily V-neck long sleeve 2 pieces maxi dress set. This dress here, oh my goodness, is so comfortable. It has a stretch material as well. What I love about XPLUSWEAR is the stretch material for the plus size gal. Now, the last piece I think is my favorite piece, and it is this XPLUSWEAR plus size vacation floral print V-neck balloon sleeve maxi dress. This dress made me feel so girly, so beautiful. I absolutely love maxi dresses. And this one here in this floral print, oh my goodness. This dress helps draw the eyes to your access, like your slender neck, maybe your large bust line, and your slim waist. This dress balances the top half and the bottom half of the body. This is definitely giving vacation vibes. I can also imagine this dress being worn to a wedding, a bridal shower, a baby shower, a summer event, an outdoor event. Can you imagine wearing this for a garden event? Just a stunning, absolutely stunning dress. Now, special thanks to XPLUSWEAR for the opportunity to share their beautiful fashions with you. I will have a link to their website and all the links to these outfits listed in my description box down below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.